Yo guys, what is up? Today we are in a shopping place and we are here for some food at for seafood feast, and I got a new mic right here. The speakers or anything are attached in here. And yeah, well, I'll just see you later.
Come join me. Come join me. It's Dex TV. It's Dex TV. Dex TV. It's Dex TV.
Guys, we're making buttery garlic steamed clams for Easter, the day before Easter feast. I'd love to call it Easter, but it's not Easter yet. So anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so medium high, so we're now gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter and garlic. See, there's the butter, all the garlic. Now we have all the garlic in there. It's time to mix. Gonna get a good view of me smashing this butter out. So guys, we're gonna pour in all this wine, and we're going to pour in the butter. So you do the whole thing. So now we have the wine cooking in there so that there's no alcohol. Make sure you don't taste it if you're a kid right now, because it's still gonna have alcohol, because just because it's been in there doesn't mean the alcohol has been fully cooked out. Now we're gonna do the lemons, which are very hard. Now that it's squeezed, we're gonna drop this lemon in there. Oh. Now we'll bring it to a boil, and then we'll add the clam, and we'll pop in this Roblox shirt right here. Now that it's boiling, let's throw in these clams. Pop goes the whistle. Now we gotta put in the butter. Now we have to cover this pot up, this unique, wonderful pot, for about 10 minutes. That's both of your hands with all 5 fingers, if you include your thumbs. The 10 minutes is up. Now let's check on these clam boys. They're done, almost. They look pretty nice and yummy. You know they're done when they're open, and it looks like most of these are open. And there you go, a perfect, a divine meal. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.